Next up, we have M&A.
Yeah, we've seen a bit of a upswing in futures markets ahead of, and this may have changed since we've gone out, given what's happening in terms of the vote. We have seen a bit of a strengthening here after the kind of negativity yesterday, and the argument is that we are going to see, there's likely to see a bit of a flight to quality in terms of global markets. Microsoft is quite an interesting one. They announced yesterday that it's going to exit ad sales, and it's contracted AOL to take over. It's kind of 9 biggest markets there. Microsoft have had a bit of a rough time trying to get into quite a tough market. I mean, the global kind of online ad market grew by 22.4% last year, but Microsoft saw its share of that decrease from 1.4% down to 1.2%. And for a giant like Microsoft to be at such a small percentage in such a kind of high competitive market, they're kind of cutting their losses, getting out of there.
Also, just it can't be. Microsoft has to focus on its core businesses rather than trying to be everything. Trying to be Google, Facebook, and everything in one company.
Exactly. 10 years ago, it would be unthinkable that a company like Microsoft would get squeezed out of a market like this. But that's creative destruction for you. Cisco is quite interesting. They got knocked down by the U.S. District Court, which put a dampener on its merger agreement with US Foods, and so they're going to agree a $300 million breakup fee to just walk away from that deal because they know that the regulators are going to kill us off. So,
okay.